Hello, today is Monday the 16th. Well, today I've got a game for you, the Xmas Tree Game. And, well, you see here the Christmas tree and a couple of Christmas balls. So we play this game like this. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how many Christmas balls can you see? And then you're gonna see the Christmas balls, okay? So, Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how many Christmas balls can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. A red one, an orange one, a green one, a yellow one. Okay, let's play again. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how many Christmas balls can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Christmas balls are on the tree. 3 are yellow, 2 are red, 1 is orange, 1 is green. Okay, let's play one more time. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how many Christmas balls can you see? Oh, just 1, a red one. And the last time. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how many Christmas balls can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Christmas balls. 3 are yellow, 3 are red, 3 are orange, and 1 is green.